I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You want less distraction, not to bypass protections. Start by clarifying the goal and who controls the device. If the device is managed by a guardian or employer, make sure to communicate your needs before changing settings. Once done, review available built-in privacy and focus features that address your concern. These are safe and supported. I'll show alternatives that respect device management while reducing interruptions, so you keep accountability and preserve safety settings. Next, apply supported system options that achieve the same outcome: fewer prompts and less tracking. You can shorten app timers or schedule focus modes to silence notifications during study or sleep hours. Make sure to change notification visibility rather than attempting to remove system apps. If you need separation, request a secondary user profile or a work profile from the device owner. This keeps data compartmentalized and complies with management policies. These steps reduce distraction while staying within rules. Complete the process by reviewing and confirming any changes with the account owner or administrator. This avoids revoked access or policy violations. Once done, test the behavior for a day and make small adjustments as needed. If settings revert or do not achieve the desired effect, restart the device and reapply the supported options. If problems persist, contact device support or the managing authority. That keeps you safe, compliant, and focused without compromising protections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.